Well, just our luck. The rain has come, and we're still waiting for the cement truck. Trying to cover it with some plastic, maybe save it. And hopefully there's some nice clear sky up that way. I hope it's blowing this way. But we've been waiting a good 40 minutes for this next cement truck, and they're supposed to be all lined up, 5 trucks. We've only seen 2 so far. Bye for now.